what is up everyone? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your ZTE Tempo X into safe mode and out of safe mode. Alright, so this is a very quick and easy process if you want to get into safe mode. Also, if you got into it and you want to get out, I'm going to be showing you how to do that in this video. So first off, to get into safe mode, you have to have your phone powered on like this. Okay. What you're going to do is you're going to press and hold the power off button here to get the power off menu, and you're going to select and hold power off. Okay, and then you're just going to get this option right here, which allows you to reboot into safe mode. So you're going to hit OK, give it a couple seconds for the phone to restart, and it will restart in safe mode. Alright, so the phone has rebooted, and as you can see, it is in safe mode now. So you can go ahead and do whatever it is you need to do. Delete any apps that might be making your phone work slower than usual. Alright, so once you're in safe mode and you want to get out, it's very simple as well. All you're going to have to do is you're going to press and hold the power off button once again, but then this time you're just going to select restart. So you have to hit restart so that the phone can reboot normally again. Sometimes if you just power the phone off without hitting restart and powering it on, it just automatically reboots into safe mode. Alright, so the phone has rebooted, and as you can see, it is no longer in safe mode. Alright guys, so that was just a quick video how to get your ZTE Tempo X into safe mode and out of safe mode. Hope this was helpful for you. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video or if it helped you out, please give it a like. Remember, leave comments down below on suggestions for future videos. Subscribe to stay tuned for future videos like this. We're going to be giving away a brand new smartphone of your choice when we get to 100,000 subscribers. And if you're interested in making an extra $1,080 per week from home, working part-time, we're going to be having a link in the description down below that you can check out. We're going to have a course that we're going to be showing you how to be able to do this in the cell phone industry. Alright everyone, so that's it for now, and I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.